Well, good morning from from me and Batsy. We had a good night at the Palace. It is beautiful. We're looking forward to a good day, aren't we? Hey, you look up in the night, you just see his little teeth smiling. It's such an amazing, beautiful sight. He's so happy. He's so good with children. He's so good with other animals. He's so good with other people. He's just the perfect dog. He really is. A little beautiful soul. Are you a beautiful soul? Yeah, yeah. So, yeah, we're just chilling, contemplating what we're doing today, aren't we? Hey, yeah. Is that you again? You again in there? Love's looking out the window. Oh yeah, hey, yeah. So yeah, I suppose it's time to get up and dressed, do my hair. Today's a feathery day. We're gonna wear feathers today, aren't we? We can do feathers in our hair. Hey? Oh, and it rained last night. It was so beautiful. Fairies dancing on the rooftop. Quite a bit. It's one of the pleasures of van life and caravan life, if you get caravan life. It's something that you really miss out on when you're in a house. It's just so beautiful, the fairies dancing on the rooftop. You're a little ninja fly catcher, aren't you? Got one or two flies in. Snuck in yesterday, didn't they? Hey? So, we're going to get up and we'll update you later, won't we? Spudding. Hey? Yeah. Well, just taking Batty for a walk round the gardens of the Heart Palace, and I've had an email from Asha to say that I won't be needed, if you like, but I'm welcome to go, and if I want as a volunteer and pay to park up, which is a long way to travel to Italy for volunteering and paying to park up, and there's so many opportunities in Portugal and Spain and France and Holland where you don't pay to park up and you volunteer and you get fed, and there's so many other more economically viable, I suppose, options. If you've got a lot of money, as in enough to travel to Asha and pay to be a part of the community, then that's the way forward. But I'm not in any position to pay or pay to volunteer even. Like, whilst I was at a Himsa, we hosted volunteers. We paid for their food, we gave them beer, we gave them a place to park up, we did all these things because we could, and we did, and it was a really good mutual swap. And I can't get my head round the way they're doing it, but they've got the ways that they're doing it, and they're building a community, and I suppose there'll be other opportunities for me in different parts of the world. So for now,
Asher's well and truly on the back burner. I've got a few other opportunities available for me, and I've turned down a heck of a lot of opportunities to park up or to share land and to have my animals and stuff, because I know that my morals, ethics, core values don't match what theirs do, you know. So rather than go and try and make something work, I've, you know, done that one with Si. So it's like there's no point putting people together that aren't on the same level of consciousness, you know. So I'm just gonna keep traveling and keep seeing what there is available and spending time with different people and places and experiencing different things and see how I roll. So I guess after this I'm gonna go shake it off, hug a tree, and then ground, I guess, and we'll see what other fantastic opportunities will be available to me, because when one door shuts there's another door opening somewhere. There is. It's the way of the universe. So there could be something so much bigger, better waiting for me. It's just, I suppose, after months and months of waiting and getting excited and thinking it's happening, for it to not, it's a bit of a bummer. But I'm going to allow that. I'm going to sit with that. And train going past. And then I'm just going to see where life takes me. Well, we've had a very slow day where we've not really done much other than talking. Just natter, which has been nice. It's raining. It's our first rainy day, and Batty has discovered that there's dentist sticks in VV and now keeps trying to climb over the front chair and get onto the windscreen dash so he can eat them. He did manage to steal one, but they're bigger than his head because they only had large size, so I'd been breaking him a little bit off after his pill, but no. So I confiscated the rest. You'll have to wait till tomorrow. So yeah, we'll be moving on tomorrow. Not sure where to yet, but yeah. So nice time had here with Alexandra and John, Stefan and Lisa Jane and the kids. It's been lovely, and we're looking forward to a little adventure tomorrow to somewhere. We might go looking for some airs and try a bit of wild camping and just get some time, just me and Chibati, because I'm tired. It's been pretty much all go since buying the van, buying VV, building and making and doing and on the road and seeing people and fitting things in. And when you're meeting people, no matter how awesome they are, you're still sliding into their routines. And so far I've not really managed to develop our own, only that we go to bed. When we wake up we do a little video and make the bed, and that's pretty much it. So So yeah, we're gonna set off tomorrow morning to somewhere where hopefully by tomorrow I'll know. Maybe I won't. And we'll see how we get on. Big loves.